Hello children, today we are going to start with a new lesson, that is practical geometry. In this lesson we are going to construct parallelogram and rhombus and some quadrilaterals. There are 4 exercises. I picked 4 sums from each of them, one, and then seeing this you can solve the other sums also. From 7.1 I have taken the construction of parallelogram MORE, where OR is given, that is 6 centimeter, RE is given, that is 4.5 centimeter, and OE is given, that is 7.5 centimeter. Before we start the construction, first thing you have to do, that is drawing a rough diagram, and for each construction you have to do it, children. So it will be easy for you to understand how to do the construction. So here I have done the rough diagram. Let us start with the construction. First we have to take a baseline OR, that is of 6 centimeter. Next there is one more side given, that is 4.5 centimeter, and the other side opposite to QOR there will be ME, that is also 6 centimeter, and opposite to ER there will be MO, that also will be 4.5 centimeter, because in parallelogram opposite sides are equal. Now first let us construct the triangle EOR. So first baseline of OR you have to take, that is 6.6 centimeter. Take a compass, take measurement of 4.5 centimeter, and from R you have to draw an arc. Next you have to take 7.5 centimeter in the compass, and from O you have to draw one more arc which is cutting the first arc, and wherever there are cutting, that will be point E. Now join ER and EO, you will get a triangle. Now you have to do a parallelogram. So OR and OM is equal. So take 6 centimeter in the compass, and from E you have to draw one arc to find M. Next one, take 4.5 centimeter in the compass, and from O one more arc you have to cut to the previous one, that wherever it cuts, that will be point M. So join MO and ME, that will be your parallelogram MORE. Next construction is construction of rhombus. Here you know, in the rhombus all the 4 sides are equal, but here sides are not given, only the diagonals are given. So draw a rough diagram, that is BEND, where EN is given 5.6 and ED is given, that is 6.5. Now we are going to construct using the diagonals as the baseline. So first we will take the diagonal DE at 6.5 centimeter, that is our baseline. Next we have to bisect DE. You know how to bisect the line. Take a compass, from D you have to draw one arc upside, one arc down. From E draw one arc upside, one down, and join those 2 points. That will be a bisecting line for DE. Next we have to find the line BN. Now BN is given, that is 5.6. So from the midpoint it will be 2.8 to the either side, both the sides. So upside also it will be 2.8, down also it will be 2.8. So wherever the midpoint of D is there, from that point take 2.8 in the compass and draw one small arc upside, small arc downside. So wherever there is an arc, that will be N and B. So here we are going to join now B E, then E N, then N D and D B. So that is our rhombus BEND, and then measure the sides. So we got only the both diagonal, that is 6.5 and 5.8. Next let us go to construction lesson exercise 7.3. Here you have to construct a quadrilateral which is MORE. MO is given, that is 6. OR is given, that is 4.5. RE is not given, but the angles are given, that is angle M is 60, Angle O is 105 and angle R is again 105 centimeter. So this construction is little difficult, children. Follow the instruction, do stepwise, you won't go wrong. Now, have you drawn the first rough diagram? Unless you do that, it will be difficult for you. So first draw a rough diagram and take a base of MO, that is 6 centimeter. You know how to take 6 centimeter and draw a line? That is our line MO. Next, using the compass, we are going to construct 60 degrees. You know how to construct 60 degrees? Or draw one arc and cut that arc, that will be 60 degrees. We have done it earlier. So 60 degrees angle, you have done it in 7th standard. So 60 degrees angle you will get, that is a line ME. Draw a big line from ME. Next step, we have to draw 105 degrees at O. Now you know how to draw 105 degrees. First, from keeping a point on D, draw a big arc, then cut the arc from the line MO wherever it touches. From there, draw arcs again. The first arc will be of 60 degrees, second arc will be 120 degrees. Then we want 105 degrees. So what do you have to do? We have to cut the mid part from 60 degrees to 120 degrees. When you bisect that angle, you will get 90 degrees. We want 105 degrees again. So what you have to do? From 90 degrees to 120 degrees, again we have to bisect that angle by drawing an arc. Then you will get 105 degrees. Now draw a big line of 105 degrees. Next step, you have to find out point R on that line. We don't know where is R. So take 4.5 centimeter in the compass, and from O on that line give an arc of 4.5 centimeter. That is your point R. So you got point M of at 60 degrees, point O as 105 degrees, and point R you got. Now at R, angle is 105 degrees again. Now you have to turn your book and then take the baseline as OR, and again how you have constructed angle O 105 degrees, the same way you have to draw angle 105 degrees at R also. You know how to do it. First a big arc and then cut that arc 2 times, that will be 60 degrees and 120 degrees. Bisect that 60, 120, you will get 90 degrees. Again bisect 90, 120, that will be 105 degrees. Then draw a line and that will be point E. Now wherever line from M and line for R meets, that will be your point E. So your quadrilateral MOR is ready. Let us go to the last one now. Here also we are going to construct a quadrilateral DEAR. Draw a rough diagram. DE is 4 centimeter, EA is 5 centimeter, AR is 4.5 centimeter, and angle E is 60 degrees, angle A is 90 degrees. Now draw a rough diagram. Take the baseline of EA. So wherever the angles are given, if you take that as a baseline, it will be easy for you to construct. So wherever angles are given, angle E and angle A are given. So I have taken that line as a baseline. So my baseline is EA of 5 centimeter. Next, at angle E you have to construct 60 degrees angle. How we have done in the previous one, using the compass. We are not going to use a protractor here to construct the angles. Now your angle E is ready. Draw a big line there. Next, go to point A. There also we are going to construct 90 degrees angle. You know how to do it. Draw a big arc. Cut that arc with the same measurement. You will get 60 degrees and 120 degrees. 2 arcs. Bisect that 60 degrees, 120 degrees. That will be 90 degrees. Then draw a line of 90 degrees. Now AR is given 4.5 centimeter. So what we are going to do? 4.5 centimeter we are going to take in the compass, and then from A draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter. You will get point R there. Next thing is told that is D is 4 centimeter. So from E you have to take 4 centimeter and draw a arc on line, that angle line 60 degrees. You will get point E. Now join DR. So your triangle quadrilateral is ready, that is DEAR, where base is EA 5 centimeter, angle E is 60 degrees, angle A is 90 degrees, angle line AR is 4.5 centimeter. Once you do these 4 construction, you can do all other construction from the exercise. So do these 4 first, and then remaining you can solve in the fair book, and then complete the exercise. Till then, bye. Take care, children.